Real meaning of development. Development is a comprehensive term which include increase in a real per capita income, improvement in living standard of people, reduction in poverty, illiteracy, crime rate, etc. Features of development are different person have different developmental goals and income is a major component of development. Growth and development. Growth, the term is used in purely physical sense. It generally refers to increase in size and length, whereas development implies overall change in shape, form, or structure resulting in improved working or functioning. Need of development. Developed economy leads to increased employment rate as increase in the standard of living and enhancement in tax revenues and better public services. Increased production of goods is often associated with economic development. People living in a developed country usually have a longer life expectancy than the people living in the rural areas. What development promises? Development promises a real growth by enhancing total income and standard of living of a person. Different people have different developmental goals. What may be development for one may not be development for another. It may be destructive for another. Income and other goals. Income is the most important component of development. Besides seeking more income, one way or the other, people also seek things like equal treatment, freedom, education, security, respect of others, job, peace, pollution-free environment, etc. All these are important goals other than income. Public facilities. Public facilities are the basic facilities like education, food, health, electricity, sanitation, safe drinking water, shelter, security, etc. that are given collectively by the government. Public facilities are important as they ensure basic needs of the people gets fulfilled in an affordable way. How to compare different countries or states. To determine whether the country is developed or underdeveloped, one need to consider the characteristics of a country. Consider income as one of the important attributes to compare countries. If a country has a higher income level than other countries, then it is said to be well developed country. According to World Development Reports, the main criterion used by the World Bank in classifying different countries is per capita income or average income. According to World Development Report, the countries with per capita income of US dollar 12,056 per annum and above are called rich countries in 2017. Whereas countries with per capita income US dollar 955 or less than called low income countries. Human Development Report is an annual report published by the Human Development Report Office of the United Nations Development Programme. UNDP. The first HDR was launched in 1990. Places people at the center of the development process. Human Development Index HDI is a statistic composite index of life expectancy, education, and per capita income indicators, which are used to rank countries into four tiers of human development. How to calculate your body mass index? Body mass index is a simple calculation using a person's height and weight. The formula is BMI is equal to kilogram by meter square, where kilogram is person's weight in kilogram and meter square is their height in meter square. A BMI of 25.0 or more is overweight, while the healthy range is 18.5 to 24.9. National development. The term national development is very comprehensive. It includes all aspects of the life of an individual and the nation. It is holistic in approach. It is a process of reconstruction and development in various dimensions of a nation and development of individual. It includes full growth and expansion of our industries, agriculture, education, social, religious and cultural institutions. Sustainable development. Sustainable development is development that meets the need of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. This implies that we need to look after our planet, our resources, and our people to ensure that we can live in a sustainable. Some examples of sustainable development are wind energy, solar energy, crop rotation. Global Goals Agenda 2030. The Global Goals and the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development seek to end poverty and hunger, realize the human rights of all, achieve gender equality and the empowerment of all women and girls, and ensure the lasting protection of the planet and its natural resources. The 17 Sustainable Development Goals, with their 169 target, from the core of the 2030 Agenda.